Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. Tonight's Tactical Tuesday is going to be about planning. And a lot of people think, well, I know all about planning. I don't make plans. Well, a lot of people don't. They think they do, but they don't. And the reason why I'm doing this specific one tonight is there have been several requests by not only those that follow my channels, but those that follow several other prepping channels where I've been making comments in the side chat, and they've been wanting to know, hey, well, how do you make plans? They have absolutely no idea. So that's what we're going to be talking about tonight. The importance of making a plan. It will be outlined, and why and how and who and where, all the steps we'll go through tonight to get you started on doing proper planning. All right. So I will see you there tonight, 10 o'clock Eastern, that's 7 Pacific time, for making plans. Because if you don't have a plan, well, this could happen to you.